Hello friends, today I have taken a question from International Maths Olympiad based on number theory or algebra. This question from series, but it is also based on trigonometry. For every natural number n and for every real number x, there is not in form of x equals to k pi over 2 power t, where t is 0, 1, 2, 3, n and k is any integer. Prove that 1 over sine 2x plus 1 over sine 4x plus 1 over sine 8x up to 1 over sine 2 power nx equals to cot x minus cot 2 power nx. We have, if you have watched my video regular, that means sometimes you must have seen I have solved some questions based on this telescopic series. So here also it is a question from that type. So let's find the solution. Here for this telescopic sum, we need a key or we need a formula. So here also we will write the formula. First we should understand what is this statement. This is x equals to your k pi over 2t. It is not in the form. That means 2, it cannot be, x cannot be in this form. That time it will not be defined, and t equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to k, up to n, and k is an integer. Here it is an integer. That means at that time it will not be defined. Okay. So first let us write the formula. What will apply here? That is your 1 over sine twice x equals to cot x minus cot 2x. Let us check whether it is correct or not. I am writing the right hand side. So cot x minus cot 2x equals to, I am changing into cos and sine. So this will be cos x over sine x minus cos 2x over sine 2x. So if we take the LCM, it will be sine x sine 2x. In the numerator, I will be getting sine 2y x cos x minus cos 2x sine x. Whose formula is this? This is nothing but your sine 2x minus x. So cot x minus cot 2x equals to sine your 2x minus x, that is sine x over sine x into sine 2x. So you must be noticing that we are getting 1 over sine 2x. So each term sine 2x 1 over sine 4x will be written in with the binomial in cot function. Then only we will get the sum. So I am writing, this will be your cot 2 to the power kx minus cot 2 power k plus 1x equals to your 1 over sine 2 power x. You can also verify with the same formula what I have applied here. We can verify. So this will be cos 2 power kx over sine 2 power kx minus cos 2 power k plus 1x over sine 2 power kx equals to LCM is sine 2 power kx into sine 2 power k plus 1x. Here it will be sine 2 power k plus 1x in multiplies cos 2 power kx minus cos 2 power k plus 1x into sine 2 power kx. Or I am getting cot 2 power kx minus cot 2 power k plus 1x equals to, here sine, same formula will get apply, 2 power 1x minus your 2 power kx divided by sine 2 power kx into sine 2 power k plus 1x. By simplification we will get here sine 2 power kx and here sine 2 power kx into sine 2 power k plus 1x. This 2 will be cancelled. So we are getting 1 by sin x. Or changing the side, I can write 1 over sine 2 power k plus 1x equals to cot 2 power cot 2 power k. It is not 2k. By mistake I have written 2 power kx. Here also I was going to write a wrong thing. It is cot 2 power kx minus cot 2 power k plus 1x. So we got the formula for series. As I told, for telescopic sum you need a formula for kth term. So next, coming to k is equal to 0. When I take k is equals to 0, 1 over, this is the hint you can get that here it is written t will be from 0 to, and so you can think of, say this value will start from 0. So here k is 0, I'll write, if you will put 0 here, it will be just sine 2x, 1 by sine 2x. And on the right side, if you will put 0, 2 to the power 0 is 1, so this will be cot x minus your k is 0, cot 2x. So we already proved this, and this was the first statement. And next, when k equals to 1, when k equals to 1, I'll get 1 over sine, let me write the formula, show the formula, 2, k is equal to your 1, then it will be 4x, 2 power 2 is 4. Here I'll get 2 power 1, so cot 2x, and here cot 2 power 2, that will be cot 4x. And when k equals to 2, I'll get 1 over sine 2 power 3, that will be 8x, and here it will be cot 4x, making 2 here to do 4, and here 2, 3, so it will be minus cot 8x. So on. K is equals to n minus 1 and k equals to n. When I'll take k equals to n, certainly I'll get sine 2 power nx equals to here cot 2 power n minus 1x minus cot 2 power nx. For n minus 1, certainly we'll get here your minus cot 2 power n minus 1x, and here cot 2 power n minus 2x, a positive for this. And in between there are so many terms, 16x, so on. Here it will be sine 2 to the power n minus 1x. Now we'll take the sum of this series. Taking the sum, adding all the terms. So here these two are cancelled, and here we could start from your series 1 or 1 first term. Cot 2x is cancelled, minus plus. Here this will be cancelled. So it will be clear to our mind that they all will be cancelled. Only this one, last of last one and first of first one will be left. So let us write the series now. So 1 over sine 2x plus 1 over sine 4x plus so on 1 over sine 2 power nx equals to cot x minus cot 2 power mx. Hence it is proved. So this question is based on algebra as well as trigonometry. So I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Thank you.